Okay.
I'm very pleased with the new windows I got from Zen. I forget the name of the manufacturer, but their
Soft light.
Soft Light seems to be a good manufacturer. And I would recommend these windows to my friends and anybody else I can come in contact with if they're looking for windows.
Okay. Did the guys take care of you today well? Clean up and everything?
Very well.
Okay.
More better than I expect.
Oh, well, that's what we like to hear. Okay, well, thank you very much, sir.
Okay.
Okay.